My name's Max Mciver, and I own a 1999 Nissan Stagea. It was the first time I'd seen anything like it. I think I was still in high school, and I decided at that moment I needed a right-hand drive car. I wanted a wagon. And I went looking for Subarus at first, but then I remembered this picture I'd seen of a wagon done up like Paul Walker's R34 Skyline. And I thought it must have been photoshopped or a ton of fab work. Turns out Nissan actually made the car, and it was a Nissan Stagea. And it's made with all the same bits, the same all-wheel drive system, the same engine that's in a Skyline. And that was when I kind of fell in love with the idea of a Skyline wagon. Under the hood is an RB25 DET, so not the GTR engine. There is a bigger engine with a little bit more power, but this one makes 275 horse, and it's a inline 6, 2.5 liter turbo.
In the mirror today, I seen the realest nigga I ever met in my life. I done smoked weed where they said I can't. Got rich when they said I can't. Got high and got on the plane and brought all my niggas when they said I can't.